everyone. I made a video of, it's called the Kakaako Waterfront Park. Kakaako Waterfront Park. And it's a really nice park. It's made for recreational jogging, walking paths. I see people riding bicycles. It has rolling hills, grassy hills, and people would actually slide down the hill using cardboard, and that was the end thing. And it's very peaceful, and Kakaako is, it's basically in between downtown Honolulu with the financial district and famous Ala Moana Beach Park. It's a nice getaway, a lot of picnic tables, and being that it's a rocky area, it's more popular for fishing people. I see a lot of fishermen, but very popular breakers here, so very big on surfers coming out in this area called, again, Waterfront, Kakaako Waterfront Park. But I'm here today really to pay homage on Ehime Maru Memorial. It was a very tragic happening where a military, our government, U.S. submarine, accidentally went to the surface, and it was a blast. Actually, it went quickly up to the surface. And I guess the scenario is, you're right in smack in the middle of the Pacific, and it's like being out in the country and, seeing a stop sign, but normally there's just no one there, that you just disregard the stop sign. So it's almost like that scenario where it's a very rare occasion. I guess they felt like it was safe to go up, and didn't be careful enough and due diligent enough. So the tragic ending is they disregarded the stop sign, and there just so happened a car was there and smack. So in this case, in the middle of the ocean, Ehime Maru, a Japanese fishing vessel training young people, young Japanese students, along with their teacher, several of them. The ship was wrecked and it sunk. And there were some survivors, and unfortunately there were several that did not survive. I want to take you up there and show you the beautiful memorial that was made, and paying respects to the family, friends that was affected by this. And check it out. So this is the vantage point we're looking at. So south and southwest. And here's the memorial site of the Ehime Maru. 1:43 p.m. on February 9th, 2001, about 10 miles south of Oahu, Hawaii. The Ehime Maru, the fishing training vessel of Ehime Prefectural Uwajima Fisheries High School in Japan, sank after a collision with the U.S. Navy submarine USS Greenville. 4 students, 2 teachers, and 3 crew members perished in the accident. This memorial, with 9 links of the anchor chain and the actual anchor from the Ehime Maru, honors the 9 precious lives lost and serves as a place where their souls are remembered. This memorial encourages safety and peace on the seas throughout the world, provides an educational experience for the youth, and seeks to develop and strengthen the friendship between Ehime Prefecture and Hawaii and the overall relationship between Japan and the United States. February 9, 2002. Sakashima Toshiya, Terata Yusuke, Nomoto Katsuya, Mizuguchi Takeshi, Makazawa Hiroshi, Nakata Jun, Segawa Hirotaka, Furuya Toshimichi, Nishida Hiroshi.